A few days ago, we helped a tube manufacturing plant in Wuxi, China, solve an urgent issue. Their alloy tubes kept exceeding the cut quality standard, and after trying 5 different saw blades without success, they were at a loss. We went straight to their workshop and discovered the real culprit. The spindle speed was 10% lower than required, causing the saw blade to vibrate. By adjusting the machine settings and customizing a 30DU4 positive rake tooth design, we reduced the defect rate from 30% to just 5%. The owner immediately placed an order for 100 saw blades. Have you ever faced a sawing problem that just wouldn't go away no matter what you tried? Share your toughest cutting challenges in the comments and claim a free resharpening voucher. We offer free inspection of your tube cutting machine's spindle speed and feed rate because 90% of defects aren't due to bad saw blades, but misaligned equipment. Follow us for expert insights, not just on saw blades, but on optimizing your entire cutting system.